Hi guys, down here another quick unboxing. This time we've got the Thumper Max dual air compressor. Once again from 4-wheel drive Supercentre. We'll get this out, have a quick initial impressions, and we'll do a review once it's been used for a good amount of time. Okay, so impressions, it's in styrofoam. So pull the styrofoam box off. Inside the box is the warranty informazioni. And we've got two handles and a bag. So that's alright. So packed fairly well. No major signs of damage in that for a heavy item, and I would assume it's a delicate item. Now this bag, unlike the recovery kit, does have two zips, but the bag feels very thin, and it's basically the same material that you'd find for your reusable shopping bags at Coles or Safeway. So we've got the hose, which I forget how much it is, but how long. It probably does say here somewhere. I think it was like 4 metres or 5 metres or 6 metres. Where are we? It's got a 2 metre power cord. 8 metre. So 8 metre hose. Clip on fitting there. And your tyre fitting there, and you've got a gauge. It's an air hose, what can I say? Alright, now the actual unit itself. Okay, there is a handle. Let's pull it out. Some goodies there. Okay, first things first, we've got some inflatable device attachments, a ball attachment, and a couple of different sizes for blowing up various or inflating various inflatables. There's the male end for the hose to hook onto. Now interestingly, didn't note that before, the pressure filler actually disconnects on its own, and then you've got just a double-ended female hose, so you could make up your own fittings. I'd say it's pretty much the standard Chinese fittings. Seems to fit on there fairly tightly, so nothing much more to say about that. So, twin pumps. What's it say about the specifications here? Pumps up to 150 psi, 300 litres a minute. Maximum amperage is 90 amp hours. Can hardwire it, so it's got a 4 metre battery lead, so that's good enough to sit on the ground. 8 metres enough to get you around your vehicle. These alligator clips that seem fairly cheap. I'd say that's just a cheap tin that's got a copper coating on it, as per your cheap jumper clips. What else is there? Handles, fairly flimsy. It sits on rubber feet. That base plate is steel, and obviously rubber shock mounted on that so it can move. Top's plastic. Everything else seems to be some cheap cast derivative. So that's it. What was the weight of it? Doesn't say in the specifications there. The box. The weight's 10.8 kilos. So fairly hefty. I'm guessing take the base plate off and you could direct mount it on these mounts here, on the shock mounts. But we'll get out on the tracks and we'll deflate some tyres and see how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys.